Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to add contact information on our lock screen in Samsung Galaxy S22. When we look at our lock screen, we have a few buttons, time and date, of course. We can customize the screen a little bit, for example by adding our contact information. If we lose our phone, someone may contact us and turn it back to us. So lock screen, settings, lock screen, and here we have our lock screen. And as you can see, this little plus here, contact information. We can input here whatever we want. As you can see, show information such as your phone number, email address, etc. We can input here whatever we want, and done, and this information will be visible on our lock screen. So done, and let's see how does it looks like. And as you can see at the bottom of the screen is the text that we input. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.